Welcome to my YouTube channel, The Real Queen V.
You're a winner when you sing, sing, sing.
I got a song.
Today I am going to show you Euphoria-inspired makeup.
Fun when we're moving to the beat. This kind of song.
Subscribe to my YouTube channel.
To something greater.
Let's get started.
You wanna sing. And
Applying white gel eyeliner as eyeshadow base.
it gets so easy, feeling easy to me. And it makes it kicking up what's slow. And living gets so easy, easy. And again and again and again and again and again and again, I want this flow. Oh, baby. And again and again and again,
Applying very pale yellow eyeshadow.
play it on.
Applying lemon yellow eyeshadow.
We've got a song, they hum along, and they have fun when they're moving to the beats. And it gets you doing a dancing flow and move
Applying light brown eyeshadow to add some dimension.
to me. And it makes it kicking up what's slow. And living gets so easy, easy. And again and again and again and again and again and again, I play it on.
Doing brown color eyebrows today. Applying white pencil eyeliner on the bottom of my eyes. Applying lemon yellow eyeshadow. My favorite part, applying stone beads.
Everybody wanna sing, sing, sing.
Take it on.
You're a winner when you sing, sing, sing. And all the while you were waiting, I was waiting for you. I couldn't take the time off to do the things that you do, but I was waiting for the moment to be right to get me closer to you. I had a hunger in my heart enough to tear me apart, but I could manage if I knew to tell the end from the start. But I was thinking maybe you were thinking someone like me.
Applying magnetic eyeliner and magnetic eyelashes.
What you gonna get, girl, if you would place your bet on me? Then we could steal a car and be free. I'm driving to the ocean bed. I can see the thoughts in your head. We can see the sunset red. Maybe we'd spend the night in the sand. You can lay your head in my head.
Eye makeup is done. Let me finish rest of the makeup and show you my final look.
Say you place your bet on me. I didn't know that I was running for you. And all the other girls, they faded to the side of the view. Like a bullet, I was flying through the air to do whatever you do. falling apart.